Do I really need to stage my home in order for it to sell quickly? Well, here are the 7 tips to staging your home to sell. Hey guys, I'm Megan Dietsch and I'm a realtor with simpliHŌM. I specialize in relocation, specifically to Nashville and its surrounding areas. I'm here to answer any and all questions that you may have about moving to Nashville, Tennessee. Well, one of the best ways to get a great first impression for buyers is through effective home staging. As a realtor for the past 4 years, I've seen how the right staging can effectively sell a home quicker and for a better price. So here are my top 7 tips on staging your home to sell faster. My first tip is to declutter and depersonalize your home. Removing any personal items like family photos, collectibles, and excess furniture is the first step in staging when you declutter and depersonalize. You want potential buyers to imagine themselves living in your home, and this is easier when it's clean and a neutral space. The second step is to deep clean every single room. A spotless home is a must. Make sure every room is deep clean. This includes carpets, windows, and even those hard-to-reach spaces. A clean home not only looks better, but it also shows buyer that the property has been well maintained. And the third step is to create a welcoming entryway. First impressions matter. Make sure your entryway is warm and inviting. A clean door, a fresh welcome mat, and a few potted plants can really make a difference in how buyers feel when they first walk in. Tip number 4, light it up. Well, what do I mean by this? Well, lighting is key to creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Open all the curtains, turn on lights, and consider adding extra lamps in a room that feels dark. Natural light is ideal, so please make sure that those windows are sparkling clean too. Tip number 5, highlight the best feature of your home. Every home has a standout feature, whether it's a fireplace, a beautiful kitchen, or a spacious backyard. Make sure to highlight these areas by drawing attention to them with simple, tasteful decor. Tip number 6, please use neutral colors throughout the home. Stick to neutral colors when staging your home. Light, neutral tones make spaces feel larger and more inviting. If your walls are painted in bold colors, consider repainting them in softer, more neutral shades to appeal to a wider audience. And tip number 7, add those finishing touches. Final touches can make all the difference in the world. Add fresh flowers, set the dining table, and toss a few cozy pillows on the sofa. These small details help create a lived-in yet elegant feel that buyers love. Staging your home can have a huge impact on how quickly your home sells and at what price it sells for. By following these tips, you'll be sure that your home looks its absolute best for potential buyers. If you're thinking about selling and you need more personalized advice, I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.